You haven't got to the circus yet, then?
No, but I'm on my way. I found a direct flight. And cheap, too.
You're going to need to be a much better flyer before you can compete with these guys, Henry.
They make it look so easy.
Well, their wings have had millions of years to evolve, and their bones are filled with air to make them even lighter.
You're filled with hot air, but I don't see you flying.
I walked right into that one.
Plummeted, more like it.
Of all the flyers, the hummingbirds are the most amazing. They can hover to sip nectar from flowers by beating their wings up to 90 times a second.
Excuse me, but that is amazing.
Terns have to be precision flyers too. They nest in huge colonies and need to locate their own chicks while trying to avoid the pecks of other parents who don't want anyone messing with their patch.
That's like trying to find a lost kid in a football stadium.
Pretty much. The terns use their flying skills to hover over the colony, calling out until they find their chicks.
Now that's what I call a good parent.
Well, one good tern deserves another, Henry.
Oh, please. Whoa! A flying monkey?
Almost. It's a given from the jungles of Southeast Asia. They've developed powerful muscles and long limbs to swing and jump through the trees, just like trapeze artists, safe from predators on the ground. But this guy's the best of the bunch, the spider monkey. You could say he's got 5 legs.
I thought spiders had 8 legs.
Spider monkey, Henry. 2 arms, 2 legs, and a prehensile tail that he uses to help him climb. He can even hang on using only his tail.
Leaving his hands free to eat. My kind of monkey.
And now, ladies and gentle lizards, it's time for Henry's amazing Golden Gecko Awards.
The winners for the all-time best amazing animal acrobat are... In 3rd place is the dung beetle, the little gymnast of the savannah who just enjoys having a ball. In 2nd place is the chameleon, who can juggle his eyes and walk the high wire at the same time. What a star! But the winner of my Golden Gecko Award for the all-time best amazing animal acrobat is the Shafaka. Shafakas are a kind of lemur and live only on the island of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. They have grasping hands and feet and can hang from thin branches. They also have long legs and short arms, so they find it easier to leap around on 2 legs. And when they move, boy, do they move. The legendary leaping lemurs, the Barnum and Bailey of the animal world.
You've been taking your lyrical pills again, haven't you?
These are my awards, and I'll wax if I want to. Shafakas are most at home in the trees, but even on the ground, they have a kind of grace, using this weird hopping motion to dance across the forest floor. You know, if I could dance like that, I'd be out all night long.
If you danced like that, you'd be in the emergency room.
I think you're probably right. But that's why the Shafaka wins my award for being my all-time best amazing animal acrobat. Oh, one more time. Less preening, people, please.
Giving up on the acrobatics at last, huh?
No, I'm going for a group display.
I see. Sharing your amazing talent with others.
Are you questioning my
Choreography?
my acrobatic skills again? Okay, from the top. Oh, they're hopeless at group display. There must be something ducks are good at.
Like what? Bottom feeding? I can't see it on the posters somehow. Perhaps you should have chosen animals who are naturals at group display.
Okay, wise guy. Like who?
What about these sharp-tailed grouse? The males assemble on communal grounds called leks and display to attract females.
And they sing too?
You could call it that. The grouse have air sacs on the side of their necks that they inflate for added visual effect and to help make their booming mating call even louder.
They look like they're pretending to be airplanes.
A group display is a good opportunity for each female to see all the males at once and to pick the best one to be her mate.
Uh-oh, snake in the grass. Big snake in the grass. Watch out, Chimp.
It's okay, Henry. He's seen it. Another reason for displaying in groups is it can help to drive away predators.
You mean there's strength in numbers?
Right. These chimpanzees are trying to scare off the python by making lots of loud noises and all looking really fierce. With all this commotion going on, the other members of their group are warned that danger is close at hand.
Wow, he looks really mad.
He's hoping the snake thinks so too. This is the chimpanzee's way of letting the python know that they know it's there and that they won't be pushed around.
Brave chimps. If it was me, I'd just run. Uh-oh, first snakes, now sharks. Those little fish are in trouble now.
Not necessarily. The old idea about safety in numbers can work even against sharks. These anchovies all move in the same way at the same time by copying their neighbors. The shark finds it hard to pick out one individual from the swirling mass.
Funny, I can always pick out the anchovies from my pizza.
Very good, Henry.
Hey, I'm not just a pretty face, you know.
No comment.
And a good thing, too.
You finally made it to the circus then, huh, Henry? Did they find something you could do? How appropriate, a clown. Well, at least it is a circus act.
I know. But it's not exactly acrobatics, is it? What? They can't do that.
What'd he say?
It's a message from the ringmaster. I'm being fired.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hang on, don't you mean you were fired?
No. I mean, I'm being fired!
Look on the bright side, Henry! You're finally an amazing animal acrobat!